Yeah,
all players.
Everybody's players.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
At T2.
Well,
I
can you
need
put
to
on the
slow this
retard
plane
base?
down.
The
Where's the
penguin.
Yeah, I
T2?
did. I had to.
The penguin tipped.
Oh no!
Do it, Kyle.
Wait, Kyle.
You can do it.
I'm gonna open up Andy's stream in another
Wait,
10
Yes,
seconds.
oh,
Can somebody like get out and push it over?
Wait, Andy is
Yo,
streaming?
Brett, see if you can push
Yes.
over to T2.
I'm working on it.
Like,
He's
why
not
not?
gonna
By
be
the
able
way,
to.
guys,
Collisions
if
are
you're
off.
streaming, like post a link to it somewhere.
Yeah, I'm.
Yeah,
I'm
just
looking it up right
get
now.
this out and actually promote it. Brett, are you doing a show?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. I
Okay.
would like to stop my plane. That would be.
I'll put you on 9. So 9. Actually, yeah.
Hey, T2's on his wheels.
Yay!
Yay!
I totally did that.
Okay, so 10. Anybody? Death, you doing a show? Death Giver?
Death, you want to join me in a P40 for 9?
I think Death's AFK. Ike or Loki? Either of you doing a show?
Muted. Yeah, I'll be with Brett.
Okay, cool.
All right, so we're 9.
Is that an XB50?
Yes.
Yes, it
It's an
is.
F6 behind us.
Ike,
What's
you
up?
doing anything?
I don't know. I'm not.
Can you put me as an individual
Oh, no.
in 10?
Oh no.
Oh.
No.
Oh
But who?
At his show? Because that was
Right.
entertaining.
I
Wait,
think we
I got to watch
want
all that happen on Andy's
Really, we
side.
want a
Oh, yeah.
souvenir. There's a
Yikes.
souvenir.
That was.
Oh, hold on,
intense.
everybody. Hey. Who is an individual?
Brett for 10.
Okay. Loki, you doing anything?
Oh god,
Probably
Kyle.
not.
Okay.
Oh,
Wait,
Guy?
how do you do fire barrage?
Okay.
Kyle, there's
Death,
no
you doing
weapons
anything?
How
reload.
hard it was to slow this thing down.
No, I'm not doing anything.
That sucks.
Okay.
Well,
Didn't mean
guess I have
to.
to land again.
Come here. I'm gonna get my kill back.
No. You must do
Oh,
it honorable
my.
ram.
Okay.
Honorable
I go
ram.
400
I'm going slow, so
left flight. Where are you at?
I'm making an approach to the airfield.
Rest in peace, that XSF.
I would make a voice channel for that. Okay. Actually, yeah. Well, I can't make voice channels, so that's the only problem.
Mistakes were made.
Yeah.
Definitely. Alright, again, you're gonna land first and I'll land next year or whatever.
Just slow
Jimmy,
this
did you see what?
Alright, yeah. I'll
Do you
take
see
that
what's
guy
in
and get over
general
there.
for you?
I did. I can't make voice channels. I'm not a
Alright,
co-owner
I
on
was
the
just
server.
wondering if you knew.
Slow down.
If you
There you go, baby. There you go.
Alright, everybody should probably land now. Since seems like we should be about to get started.
Yeah.
Yep. Andy.
That was on purpose.
I know, yeah. Too many people have crashed.
Unfortunate.
We could.
Oh, that was
remake
a high-speed
the
landing from
room,
that
and,
T2.
Everyone just respawns, and we try not to crash.
That's a good idea.
Well, the only deal is, if we all the crash marks will still be there.
Yeah.
Can you send Big Fish?
no, I think you meant restart
Big
the
fish?
room.
Yeah, if you restart the entire.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, yeah.
Okay, I turned him off.
Big fish. No, not
Hi,
bird
Death.
fish.
Hello.
Big.
Oh, dang.
Down.
Hey, Andy, what's his exact in-game username?
It's a great question.
10 out of 10.
Slip.
Let me go.
Gunner, do you
look at
think it would be a good idea for people that are like actively in the air doing a show to switch to maybe lounge and game night?
Yeah, that'd be good. It's
Alright.
just, if you have music
Alright.
for your show, that would be best to stay in the chat and just
Oh
kind
yeah, I
of,
forgot about that.
yeah.
Ooh, wait, James, I'm gonna find one for our 262 run.
If you
It's
find
not-
this
it's not locked in.
because I can run music. while
Yeah,
I'm
how
out.
about everybody's show is like a song length, whichever song you want.
No.
You don't have to have music for your show.
I mean, if you want to.
Yeah, if you want to.
Stay out of the XP.
Just don't run, yeah. Oh, shit.
Hopefully this doesn't get copy striked.
If you're not monetized, it doesn't matter.
Outside the barracks, by the corner
Okay,
light,
let me get JT in here.
I'll
Oh,
always
JT.
stand and wait
Yeah.
for you at night.
Nice.
We will create
Propagate
a
Unite.
world for
Behind
Yeah.
That was
But how do you-
unsuccessful.
How do you do like the cinematic camera that's like, no, this just
Alt-Z.
like all the
Alt-Z.
stuff's turned off?
Loki, do you have
Alt
a condor by any chance?
Alt-Z.
Yeah, why?
Alt-Z.
Just imagine if we landed a bunch of condors
Sorry.
on the airfield.
Yeah, we're Lufthansa.
Oh god, yeah, Lufthansa coming in.
Now I
bringing
want to
in more
see
spectators.
condors all over this airfield.
Oh
I
god.
wish I had a condor. I don't have. I could research the condor, but it's not
I
my
forgot I
fault.
still have this thing on my engine.
Abrams
This guy, are you in
inbound.
the P40?
What?
Are you in the P40?
Yeah.
Okay, once
I look to
everybody's
the right, I
landed,
just see an Abrams staring
we
at
can
us.
probably get
Oh,
started
God.
soon.
Oh,
Should I be worried?
Perhaps.
Yeah.
No.
That
It's
Abrams
starting
is
to
kind of,
move.
it's moving.
Oh, God.
William, you might want to get your bombs loaded.
Nobody moved.
It is-
Their
they are
site is
loaded.
based on motion.
Oh, okay, I can't see him.
This is taking so long to
Okay.
fill up.
So when you start doing your show, tell us, because Vulcan and I need to take off and get ready.
Alright.
I'm coming in, sorry.
Alright, yeah, just land.
Wait, William, did you
I'm
want
gonna
me
do
to
a
do
final
Rolling
flap check
Thunder
to
with
make
you?
sure
Wait, the Hellcat is
sure.
alive?
We could do 3
Oh, wait.
rolling thunders.
A three-way
Okay,
thunder.
Kyle, you want me to get
Alright,
rid of your
3-way
show?
rolling thunder.
Here's JT.
What?
We're doing 3-way rolling thunder.
Ah, there he is.
God,
Nice.
if you,
This is gonna be chaotic, William. A 3-way rolling thunder, bombs
Yeah.
and rockets all being shot at one simultaneous
I think I'll
moment.
just be with William and then land again. And then
Look
take off
at Abrams
again and-
vibing.
Watch somebody come in a.
Yeah,
Maybe a
struck
few
down
will
that
just shoot
catwalk,
everybody
JT. Oh yeah, work it. Work
Oh, I have
it.
an idea. I have an idea. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Hey, I killed somebody.
Yeah, so guys, if you're gonna leave, like get in a new plane, crash instead of jaying out.
Yeah,
Just
and make sure you
usually give someone else a kill.
Yeah, so that it's just so that tickets don't run out. Oh, and if you're gonna crash, don't crash on the runway. That's
Go in the city or something.
Yeah,
Do
because
your
then there's
best
going to
not
be fire
commit suicide
everywhere.
in front of everybody
Yeah.
else.
But then again, there is already fire everywhere.
yeah. We just don't want more fire, which is
Well, yeah, we were
God.
playing around
I never
so
thought
much
I'd say
earlier
something like
and
that.
crashing.
And Kyle, so what we're gonna do is we are going
turn really
to
quickly.
bomb the main airfield with all the debris
The
on
main
it.
airfield? Oh, okay.
The runway with all the
Yeah.
shit on it.
oh,
Okay.
Should we
I'm gonna
do?
turn my
Should we do
radar
like a line? Or are we gonna do a row?
Wait,
or-
wait,
I was
Not my
thinking
keybind,
I'll be in the
but
center,
things.
Almond, you're on my left, and Kyle, you're on my right.
Why do I feel like
Alright.
that bombing's gonna end in a bunch of dead planes?
That'd be funny.
It
Just
probably
guys,
As
will.
long as you stay far enough away from runway 36, you'll be fine.
Yeah. All right. So is
Even with
everybody
shockwaves.
ready for
Yeah.
us to get started? All right.
Yeah,
Cool.
nobody use like a 5,000 kilogram bomb.
What the hell
or
just
anything.
exploded?
I just have 25 bombs.
The
All right,
flak
are you
firing
ready?
at something.
Yep.
All right. Go ahead.
I'm just gonna taxi.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. First
Alright,
ship
I'm
starting.
taxing.
Tactical nuke.
all right, James, you want to get on the airstrip and be ready?
All right,
just follow
Sesto,
me,
are you
Alvin.
beginning your thing?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
There go the first ones.
We'll be taking off in a minute or two.
So just follow me, Alvin.
All right. I'm spinning around.
Hey,
Something a
Sean,
little fast, Wood.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in a P40.
I see.
Okay.
See what
This
color
this ought to look nice.
No, I see.
Ooh, Kyle.
Don't tip over, Kyle.
See those
The little
markings under your wing?
topsy turvy penguin might fall.
Oh, Spester, what's your engine on for?
William, your
Shouldn't be
jet
on.
wash
Yeah,
is
take
affecting
that
me in
left
front of
runway,
you. I don't
James.
like
Further
this.
down the
Actually-
runway, Sean.
Yeah.
You
Okay,
got
let's
that
see what
engine
it is.
40.
People are.
It's green.
That's on.
I did not notice the Hellcat coming into land. Ooh, try not to use guns while you land.
Alright.
Yeah, it's fine.
Gonna shoot someone.
You got plenty of runway, man.
These fireballs are scaring me.
You're not landing on a
Oh, there
carrier.
was the.
Robert,
There we go.
It's plenty
Damn,
of
look at that
runway.
short landing. That was
Proceeds to
nice.
hit the trees.
Oh god.
Oh, this is
Okay,
beautiful.
Andy, you might want to get out the way. The jets are about to take off.
Yeah, whoever Kaiser is in the F4, you better get out of the way.
Yeah.
All right.
that's JT.
We have a 50 millimeter
Yeah.
and
Hey, you guys
a
ready?
20 millimeter stern at
Stand
you.
against the P40.
Go, William. Just go. I can't break.
Let's go.
Big ass American flag.
Hey, Jonah, are you gonna adjust
Let me get
the
our
lineup?
song ready to go.
The line.
So, Oddman.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I think they're all doing their own thing afterwards.
Yeah, I'm doing my own thing.
Okay, Alvin, are you gonna do your own thing too?
Probably.
What?
Okay, cool. So then it's
Look at
fine.
me. Look at me.
All
Well, no,
right,
like
Just their win.
So just follow me.
Oh yeah, just make it. Yeah, just make it slash.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Beautiful.
you ready to go, Bogan?
Can you see my
Yep.
Jeremy?
All right, I'm
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, should we all do different
take
colors?
off
or something?
flaps, and I'm gonna take off
No
the 10
smoke.
degrees.
All right.
William, I don't know if you, are we gonna.
Sean,
Are we
I
gonna
feel like
Yeah,
my plan
239.
Just follow me.
against the people.
Oh, hello.
3.
Alright.
Yeah. Look at that.
This seemed like a really steep turn, so I just want to make
I
sure
have
we
the
were gonna
banana
try and hit them
plane.
from that.
The banana.
My P63's in yellow.
Okay. According
All right, 10 degrees.
Hello there.
I'm
Is that
assuming
an
we'll have
L333?
Small boy.
Loki, is that you? Yes, it
Where
is.
is it?
To the right, Megan.
Somebody just say
Oh
L3.
my god, that's so cute. The L3.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, my L3.
Hey, the L3 made it.
Look at it.
Oh,
William, how
Okay,
fast
so
are we
Logan,
going?
I really want
kill
527.
every single one of us. That we know the airport.
It looks like a tractor that would pull the airplanes. Oh my god.
I'll follow you.
I'm
All
trying
right.
to slow
Do
down.
you want to do a pass over 3.6 or
the
1.8?
L3, the most dangerous military
Uh,
vehicle around these blocks.
Hey,
1-8.
Bombers,
A bit
hey,
closer, but that's
if you're doing your
actually
show,
not
if you want to change chats, then that's okay.
1 second. I'm
I
struggling
think
to
we're
catch
good.
up.
All right, I got orange smoke
All right.
on.
Alright,
All right.
I'm.
Okay, you
And
guys
I
here?
am going at
Yeah, cut the. I'm
No,
like,
William's going like 10 times faster than I can move. So
I'm going
I'm not here.
300.
Yeah, I'll show
going 5.
Alright, I'm going 400. I'm chopping for a
All
little bit.
Alright, let's
I'm
go
gonna
now.
Yep.
I'm going
Alright,
straight
making a
south
run.
at 5 degrees.
Burn.
Come.
All right. James, cut the smoke until we do.
Roger.
Death Giver, you might want to.
I got hit by
Death Giver
flag.
and
the
we're
flag.
dangerously close to the
William
bomb.
is full powered.
Is that
Full power.
Sesto in the T2?
No.
No.
No,
If
that's
you guys see a smoking
Marble.
phantom, that was just me.
Okay.
Flak.
We just have to wait for Sesto to do his thing.
Oof.
Ouch. Okay.
Black.
the show, don't worry.
Whoa, nice.
Nice. That looks sick.
Woo! Beautiful. Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
There we go.
All right, I'm going up.
All right, that's first show done.
Well, 90% throw.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna just stick at 80 for now.
Second show
I have
is
to
Vulcan
crash.
James. Are you guys about
Same
to take
here.
off?
We're already in there.
All right,
So
cool.
did Sesto already do his show?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yep.
yes, he did.
All right.
You guys gonna
I'm
land?
gonna turn
I
left
have to
90
crash,
degrees,
then
Okay.
I'll be back.
Simultaneous crashing.
and
Sam,
I have
I got
our
partially
song
carpet
ready to
boundary.
go.
Okay,
Start
okay,
the
okay.
race.
That I got
All right, I'm patching off.
That's when I was doing the I got the best video of that though. I was right in the perfect line. I was like, oh no, too perfect.
Okay, yeah, I'm at 90% throttle.
I have no clue.
All right. So
The props
a fast
are
pass and then
migrating.
the slow ones.
Yeah, fast one first.
All right, it's first show done.
All right, I'm turning in.
All right, smoke on.
You are their leader.
Smoke on,
I'm gonna try to come in
and
for
I'm
a landing.
starting the song soon.
Prop gang.
Let's see if we can go low for this one.
We're being taken over.
Roger.
Actually, wait, I don't have to be
Is our song playing? That's the question.
I clicked it.
Yes.
I have the bot muted, so I can't really hear it.
You just turn it up a bit. Oh my
There it
god,
is.
nice.
I can't really turn, so I kind of have to just sit back here.
All right, I'm going over the taxiway, Vulcan.
Oh, nice.
Megan, do you have the bot unmuted?
Yeah.
Nice. There's Kyle. Okay. Oh, here they come. Hell yeah.
Oh, as I
Oh,
said,
beautiful.
Nice.
Oh.
James, hold left and reach. Hold left and hold right.
That was nice.
Oh, there's one.
That was
262.
Sean, was du denkst. Das ist gut.
This is
All
so
right, Vulcan, I'll follow you on this next one.
All right.
As fast
Since
as
I'm
Sean.
Ja, sehr schön, sehr schön.
We're gonna turn around and go along the highway.
You're gonna what?
We're gonna go along the highway.
Roger, following you.
I love the L3 as well.
This is nice.
Where's L3 at?
so cool.
Yeah, L3 is just hiding behind this.
All right. I'm
He's
going
hiding behind
Actually, I have a
90%
perfect
throttle
view
again.
of these, of the 262s on the highway.
Yeah, they're so beautiful.
So
Turning
guys, our
right
next pass will be along the highway.
All right. Oh, that's.
I'm gonna watch
Brings a
this.
tear to my eye.
Okay, turning in.
Well, in fact,
There's a stream of smoke in the way.
James, fly above him. Fly above the highway. I'm going under.
Roger.
The music is so good for this.
This is awesome.
This is awesome.
Good luck, dude.
I feel like I'm at a fucking Nazi rally right now with the 262 passing over.
Yeah.
Oh,
You are.
this is beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
That's
Such
awesome.
beautiful aircraft.
Okay, now we're gonna do a final low pass around.
Roger. Going along 3-6. Taxiway. Roger.
I wish there wasn't so much smoke. I mean, like
Yeah.
the fire, so I
On
could
the
see
ground,
better.
It's kind of hard
I'm
for us to
zipping
see.
over as fast as possible to see it.
Alright, we're
Someone
making one
join,
more
join.
pass over the taxiway.
Here they come.
Yeah, JT's here now, I think.
I'll
Nice.
be able to halfway see it. Ah,
Oh, beautiful.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's great.
beautiful.
Oh, the timing on the music too. Nice job.
Bravo!
Well done.
Bravo!
Nice job, well done. Nice
It's only
job.
was a little longer.
All right.
That MP3.
Clap it.
Yeah. All right.
All right, I gotta go get ready for the other show then.
And you want to start preparing for yours since you're up
Alright,
next?
I'm just gonna crash into a building.
Yep, that's fine.
Make sure
Oh,
it's not
no.
near the
Go
runway.
full 262 show and then 911.
I think we have the same idea, James.
Vulcan?
911 2.0.
Oh no.
Hello.
Oh no.
I heard that boom in the background, oh god.
The next show is Lawman.
PE8.
I like how you can see the smoke trail
Audrey,
just dive
you
towards the ground.
Yeah, Alvin looks like
He's texting.
Time jamming out.
Ooh,
Take care of
Vulcan.
the objective. Time
Um,
is running down.
I don't
Time
care.
left, 5
I gave it
hours.
6 hours.
Sorry.
I'm here in my Abrams.
Hey, don't pull away our final show just yet. Wait
I can
till
just
wait
see
till.
the L33.
I know, it's adorable.
Cute boy.
It's like the puppy at the air show everybody wants to
Oh, there's
pet.
the free Brahms.
You know, you may think this thing is cute, but it has killed many challengers.
Hey, who's on the P-39? Or the
Okay, I'm landing on the runway. I'll be out of the way soon enough.
P39.
I'm moving down.
Alright, so Vulcan, the 40 times.
Oh, what, you don't like hanging out with the jets? Where are you
No.
going?
No, I'm spinning around to get in a better angle, so I'm looping.
Make sure you have a loop.
He's just gonna go be alone.
Wow, okay. What'll...
G91.
Wow.
Nice.
It's like, I'm gonna go be down. way
Happy
down here.
boy.
Nice.
Happy face.
Well, that's a problem.
Happy face.
Abrams has to look both ways before crossing the road.
Armin, you there?
Check twice.
Airfield in that Abrams.
Alright, riddle me this. Why did the Abrams
And I
cross
think the
road?
prefix is
Get to
different.
the oil.
Was there oil?
Armin.
That's very correct.
Yeah, looks
Okay,
like
I'm
he's-
starting a show, I guess.
Looks like he's going. He might be in the other voice chat. I don't know.
No, I'm
No, he's
here.
here.
Just
Okay.
everyone's talking over.
Well,
My
just
music
talk.
apparently doesn't work, so I'm just gonna.
Oh, wait. Whoa, hold on. Just wait. Oh, that's weird. Wait, let me try it.
Would you say this is a crime against P40s everywhere?
Oh, I got it. I got it. Audman.
A Chinese one.
Yes.
I've seen a Chinese one.
Go ahead, Audman.
Chinese ones are fine.
I call it acceptable. It's a bit green, but
Everybody. Shh.
I'm green.
fish there.
The Frenchie's doing his thing. Good thing Liam's in here.
Jonah.
Hmm.
This sounds like something really familiar that I do not want to bring up.
I don't know what it is. Okay. Ooh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice. Ooh, I have to look up.
Implement.
Fancy.
Han.
It is a shark tooth. That was cool.
Oh, cool. Alright, well.
Is that your show, Otman?
Nope, I'm just gonna try that off.
Okay.
I'm pretty much done now. But... Rogue, you mind not
Doing that.
spamming your mic?
Oh shit!
That's one way to end it.
Someone wanted to become a
That's supposed to happen?
Someone's like, I don't want to be in here anymore.
I think you were supposed to do it really low to the ground.
So, Gandhi, are we going to switch to ordnance then?
Yeah, we can take some 1,000-pounders.
Oh wait, quick interval between the next show. We got another person coming in.
Yeah, just either that or crash. So,
quick interval between the next show. Got another person trying to join in the thing.
That's fine. Big Fish is on his way too, so we're gonna need maybe a couple, like 5 more minutes or a little bit more. So.
Okay.
Hey, Gun, if I go to leave plane from right here next to the runway, am I going to mess it up with like smoke or anything? Might my plane explode?
Plane won't explode. You'll be fine.
Okay, cool.
The tanks are the only
Don't J out because it'll cause somebody to get the kill.
Oh yeah. We've got enough leeway for now. Just
you're taking too long.
Uh-oh.
We have 5 more hours.
Too long.
Hey, I don't care. Too long.
It's only just begun.
Oh no.
So is the next act going, or because I'm driving over
Where's
right now?
JT going?
Can we appreciate when he crashed though his fuselage just slid?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was that part. All right, so the thing is
down the runway.
the going in between the buildings was intentional, but the crashing part wasn't, because something's like jet.
I think JT's going around all the way to the back.
Yeah.
By the way, it's best.
That Abrams is terrifying.
L33.
Wait, I'm
I look to my
coming.
left and I just see big boy.
Don't touch him. Don't. You.
No.
Wait, Scott! Get him!
The thing is, you
like
want
to
to play on the L3, but me and Sky have hunted Abrams in our L3s before.
This guy likes to kick
That's
puppies.
giving me an idea for later.
This guy likes to kick.
Sky, remember your training. Go for the engine.
That's a PA.
Oh shit! I didn't notice the fucking.
There will be another
Yeah, I'm questioning how nobody saw the PE8.
What did the B?
Oh, sorry, the PE8. Oh, big fish.
Between these planes.
Guys, hear me? I said I love this sight coming down the runway. That's what I meant.
I thought you meant the Abrams. I knew the PE was chilling.
Free room.
I didn't see the PE8 until I looked to my left. All of a sudden, beep beep. I'm here, motherfuckers.
Hey, big fish, big fish.
Yeah, don't make me mad or I'll drop my 5K and ignite all of us.
Oh, wait, big fish, are you in?
I can't see it though.
Please don't, whoever has that.
I got shot.
Jesus Christ.
I got shot. Ow.
Okay.
Ah, no, we're clear.
Oh, Kaz, are you in?
Leclerc.
Yeah, I'm coming in for a
Okay,
landing.
cool.
Oh shoot,
alright,
that was
what's
close.
your, okay, but,
I'm in B57.
Hey.
Little shit.
Don't, guys, come on.
That's my engine!
Guys,
Stop
don't let's
shooting me.
devolve into random shooting. Come on.
Alright.
Where's my engine? I only have
Big
3
fish.
now.
Sonic Boom.
You only have 3.
1 out of
There
10.
was no Sonic Boom, but there was no noise.
Okay, I have to land and do this again. Because somebody in Abrams.
What did I
Yeah, y'all gotta not.
Oh, there goes the P8.
P8's board.
I didn't shoot
I'll be
anyone.
back.
That does not look healthy.
Rest it on, don't worry. It's perfect.
He went home.
Oddman, you can't be getting killed.
Yeah, don't kill people up, man. We need the tickets to stay stable.
Look at the props behind this. That's nice
Oh, yeah.
parking.
Oh, hey, that's nice. P40. Looking all pretty. Hey,
Oh,
boys.
2 P40s and a P63.
I was about to say, if you say 39 again,
I don't know. That's
He's very particular about his planes.
Oh, you have 4 props.
Yo, Andy, you there?
Fucking propellers, not 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
are we
can-
taking right now? Where's Army and Egg? I need
Wait,
to
my
send
seven-
big fish.
Wait, I have a 7-7.